Welcome to a journey through the world of bread, where we'll unravel the secret to a diabetes-friendly diet without sacrificing your love for warm, delicious slices. In this video, we're diving deep into the realm of carbohydrates, fiber, and taste, all to answer the burning question, what is the best bread for diabetics? Get ready to discover the bread that's not only good for your health but also your taste buds. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to make the perfect choice at the bakery aisle. One of the main challenges for individuals with diabetes is the effect that bread can have on blood sugar levels. Traditional bread, especially those made from refined white flour, can cause a rapid increase in blood glucose levels due to its high glycemic index. This can make it difficult for individuals with diabetes to maintain stable blood sugar levels and can potentially lead to complications. The glycemic index is a measurement of how quickly a particular food raises blood sugar levels. Choosing bread with a low glycemic index is crucial for individuals with diabetes, as it helps to prevent sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Number 1. Whole grain bread. One of the key reasons why whole grain bread is a recommended choice for diabetics is its high fiber content. Fiber plays a crucial role in slowing down digestion, which in turn helps regulate blood sugar levels. Unlike refined white bread, whole grain bread is made from whole grains that retain all parts of the grain, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. This means that it contains more fiber compared to its refined counterparts. High fiber foods take longer to digest, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels and providing a steady release of energy. Whole grain bread is a rich source of B vitamins, which are essential for maintaining healthy nerve function and metabolism. It also contains important minerals such as iron, magnesium, and zinc, which play a role in various bodily functions. Antioxidants found in whole grain bread help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases often associated with diabetes, such as heart disease. Choosing whole grain bread over refined bread also has positive effects on weight management, which is crucial for diabetics. The high fiber content in whole grain bread helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating and aiding in weight control. Furthermore, whole grain bread has a lower glycemic index compared to refined bread, meaning it causes a slower and more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This can help diabetics maintain a steady blood sugar level and avoid sudden spikes or crashes. When purchasing whole grain bread, it is important to read the labels carefully. Look for bread that is labeled 100% whole grain or 100% whole wheat to ensure you are getting the real deal. Some bread may be labeled as multigrain or wheat bread, but these terms can be misleading, as they may still contain refined grains. It's important to choose bread with minimal added sugars and avoid those with high fructose corn syrup or hydrogenated oils. Number 2. Sprouted grain bread. Sprouted grain bread has a low glycemic index. Sprouting grains enhances nutrient absorption. Enzymes activated during sprouting break down complex carbs into simpler forms, improving nutrient utilization. Diabetics benefit from higher vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content compared to regular bread. Sprouted grain bread contains fewer carbs than conventional bread. The sprouting process converts starches into simpler sugars, reducing overall carb intake while allowing diabetics to enjoy bread. Sprouted grain bread is fiber-rich due to sprouting, promoting fullness, curbing cravings, and aiding blood sugar regulation. Sprouted grain bread is easier to digest. Enzymes activated during sprouting break down complex carbs and proteins, offering relief to those with digestive sensitivities. Number 3. Low-carb bread. Low-carb bread, designed for diabetes management, contains fewer carbs than regular bread. It achieves this through alternative flours like almond, coconut, or flaxseed meal, naturally low in carbs but high in protein and fiber. This combo slows carb digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes, ideal for diabetics. Additionally, low-carb bread often swaps sugar for substitutes like stevia or erythritol, providing sweetness without affecting blood glucose. It might also feature psyllium husk, a natural fiber known to enhance blood sugar control and digestion. This availability of low-carb bread makes it easy for diabetics to enjoy bread without compromising health. Number 4. Gluten-free bread. Gluten-free bread offers diabetics a carb-controlled bread option. It allows them to enjoy bread without significant blood sugar spikes, especially crucial for type 2 diabetics striving for stable glucose levels. Many diabetics also have gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Opting for gluten-free bread helps them sidestep the digestive issues caused by gluten, allowing them to savor bread without compromising health or comfort. The gluten-free bread market has expanded considerably, offering various options. Diabetics can select from a diverse range of gluten-free bread, including whole grain and seed-infused varieties, catering to their nutritional needs and preferences. Portion control. Bread is a staple in many diets, but for diabetics, it can pose challenges due to its impact on blood sugar levels. The carbohydrates in bread can cause a rapid increase in blood glucose levels, making portion control vital for managing diabetes effectively. By carefully monitoring and regulating portion sizes, individuals with diabetes can avoid blood sugar spikes that may lead to health complications. Controlling portion sizes also helps in managing weight, as excess carbohydrates can contribute to weight gain, which impacts diabetes management. In conclusion, the best bread for diabetics is one that is made from whole grains, has a low glycemic index, and is free from added sugars and artificial sweeteners. Remember to practice portion control and consult with a healthcare professional for tailored advice. By making informed choices about your bread consumption, you can better manage your diabetes and maintain a healthy lifestyle.